Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing 2 lunchbox recipes and one recipe which I prepared for one dish party or potluck. That's also a very nice starter recipe. Now let's get started. First, you can see I have bought 3 kg of chicken mince from the store. Approximately I will be taking 1 kg. Just eyeball measurement only I am doing, not exact measurement over here. This is a food processor in which I have taken 1 kg of mince. For that I will be adding 2 full cups of breadcrumbs and 2 eggs. This recipe is just exactly the same like that of chicken nuggets. It is very tasty. It will taste just like that of the store-bought patties only. Now I am adding chili flakes, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of dry cilantro. You can also add dry oregano, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. Nicely give it a good blend. We love garlic taste very much and the patties also will taste very good. Take a large tray and definitely don't forget to line with the butter paper or the parchment paper and nicely give it a oil spread on also on this. It is very difficult to spread with the spatula. Just if you use oil like this, right, easily it slides nicely, smooth surface you will get. I made first in the small tray, then I saw that the patties were too thick, so I shifted it to the larger tray later on, and I got nice big square patties for bread sandwiches, square bread sandwiches, right, exactly bread shape. I cut them, instantly keep them in the freezer. Now let's go to the next recipe, that is chicken sheikh kebab. This also approximately 1 to 1.5 kg of mince, lot of coriander, nicely chop the onions and red bell pepper and chilies and all, squeeze out the water and mix, ginger garlic paste, butter, salt. Do not forget the baking soda. Recipe, clear recipe is already there on my channel. Couple of videos back I have given, go and check if you want. More spices also you can add. Just use any skewers of this kind and make sheikh kebab like this. If you don't have skewers of this kind, just simply go with any straw or even with the wooden pencil. You can make the same way. Last time I showed how you can bake all the sheikh kebab at one stretch and store it in the freezer. Now I am showing you how you can air fry them. In air fryer I will just fry it only for 5 minutes. It is not cooking, just to hold the shape. I am just keeping in air fryer for 5 minutes and taking it, covering it with the cling foil, and I will keep it in the freezer. That's it. Our sheikh kebabs are very much ready for all week long. Come on now, let's spend little time in our garden. Backyard always I will have some tomatoes to harvest. See, today also I had little extra than usual. The same way even strawberries were little extra than usual. Handful of strawberries you will see. These cherry tomatoes were also starting to ripe now. Only 3 tomatoes have come yet, cherry tomatoes, but lot of bunches are there. See here, the strawberries are very beautiful. You can see nice and red juicy strawberries, very sweet and tasty too. I have only 2 strawberry plants. In that 2 strawberry plant itself, very good harvest. Every week I will get very good amount of strawberries from these 2 plants. Couple of days back only I pruned this. Today again I have 4 to 5 strawberries in my plant. These plants all will give you good harvest when you give it a good feed. I don't waste any eggshells. All eggshells I will grind them into powder and add it to the soil. That's how I get real good feed for all these plants. See the Roma tomatoes. This harvest is for all week long. I got these tomatoes, and cherry tomatoes now only it has started. Only 3 I have got, and next and all, right, now Roma tomatoes are less, cherry tomatoes are too much. See the next day, all these sheikh kebabs are frozen. Once it is frozen, you can remove and pack it like this in Ziploc and place it in your freezer, or simply in any boxes also you can keep. This is how I am keeping it always. These sheikh kebab and all will be over for me in 1 week itself. Now you can see the frozen patties, chicken patties, very tasty and very nice recipe for all working ladies, right? This is a game changer. Do not forget to add butter paper. That is only going to make your job easy. See, you easily you can remove it and make them into bits like this. If you want to make round shape for burger, right, that also you can make it, but this square shape is much more easier for me. I am doing it. All working ladies, you can easily make. This is much more easier than sheikh kebab, I will say. Not too much of cutting or chopping work for this. Just you have to bring the mince meat and add all the required ingredients and make these patties and keep in the morning hour. It is very helpful, these patties and sheikh kebab, and also many of the cutlets and shami kebabs I make, right? All those are also very helpful in morning hours while going to school for making tiffin box. Now let's start preparing lunch box for my boys to school. It is first day of school and I am preparing school tiffin box. Until the sheikh kebab is getting cooked in the air fryer, let's prepare the snack box. I always add some fruit and little bit of snack. And I have always shared also that I never buy any white bread. Either I buy sprouted bread or multigrain bread or whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread very rarely I buy. Always I go for sprouted or multigrain ones. I have taken chili garlic sauce and miracle whip, that is mayo on one side, loaded up with lot of lettuce and cucumbers. You can choose to add anything of your choice and make this sandwich a very healthy one too. You would have seen these sheikh kebab or patties if you have in the freezer. Just only the cooking time for sheikh or the patty is going to take. Otherwise, in between you will have only 5 or 10 minutes job to cut the fruits and those lettuce or something. In 10 or 15 minutes you can make your tiffin box very much ready. Now next day I prepared with these patties. It is a very tasty and very delicious recipe. Sandwiches are heavily loaded with proteins. I know very busy ladies and all, right? This recipe is going to be very easy. Sheikh kebab, at least you have to cut and chop lot of other veggies and add it in that. But this patty, right? Very easy, very simple recipe, and quickly you can make and keep it over the weekend, and all week long you can make lovely sandwiches of this kind. In this recipe, only comment I got from my son is, one of my son told that spice level could have been little more in the patty, and that is why I used chili garlic sauce for them to give on the by side. So whenever you're preparing this patty, you can double the quantity of the spice which I showed, that is chili flakes, right? If you increase, that will be nice. Or if you have small kids, that amount itself will be okay. Second day after the kids have gone to school, soon I was preparing a dish for our ladies party. As the school has started, very long time we didn't had any potluck. Today, one dish party, I am going to prepare this chili potato or chili chicken potato. Just it is a little bit of Chinese, desi Chinese style only I am going to make. All over Canada, Putin is very famous. It is the same like that of only I am going to make today. This chicken I marinated last night itself. Simple only. Chili powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, salt. That's all. Mix nicely and keep it overnight. See, 3 trays I have filled French fries, in that peppers, and here chicken. All 3 together I will put it in the oven. I will bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for half an hour. In between, in 10 minutes itself, I will remove the peppers alone. Pepper we don't need to overcook. Now let's prepare the sauce or the poutine or the gravy which we get in the poutine recipe. That is, I have taken Thai chili sauce, chili garlic sauce and ketchup. These are the 3 sauces I have taken. If you have soya sauce, you can add that, or even Maggi hot and sweet sauce also will be nice. Now I am adding pepper, salt, and this is nothing but corn flour. Now I'm mixing water. In this water, approximately 250 ml of water I added. Nicely give it a good mix. If you want to increase or decrease the sauce in this recipe, you have to increase the corn flour amount, that's all. Now to get started, I need handful of garlic. I have chopped it. Now let's get started. Take a nice wide open pot. In that I have taken little bit of oil for frying this garlic. Do not burn the garlic. Immediately when the garlic fries, right, you add this gravy or the slurry which we prepared. Nicely, if you keep it on high flames and cook, you will get a nice thick sauce like this, and start mixing all the other ingredients which we prepared, that is chicken, french fries and lot of peppers. In this, white onions will be nice, but I had only red onions. Today I have added red onions. That's it, very much ready our chili chicken potatoes. I'm just going to garnish it with some sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds. I'm just giving on top, and I'm ready to go for the party. In the party, I got loads of compliments from my friends for this recipe. I'm sure all of you will try, and you also will get the same compliments from your family too. Hope you all like the recipes I have shared and found useful too. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.